Malibu sunset. Insane. Wow, look at the clouds. Fantastic, beautiful clouds. It's like a painting. Unbelievable. Unbelievable beauty. Let's get what the grounds looks like. There we go. Now we're in focus. There's the ocean. Pretty clear day. Vineyards are happy. Dogs are happy. Here they go. Going down to feed the horses. There's Chloe. Say hi, Chloe. And there's the roses. And there's Milo. Hi, Milo. Hi, Chloe. Okay, one more shot of the sky. Wow, it's just like intense. Especially that part. Okay, bye-bye. Malibu sunset.